We reached Zabayul, the invisible village. Kargil town is still further. The war memorial is here. There are many riders who prefer to do this stretch in 2 days. That stay a night in Kargil and then continue the journey ahead. We are going to do it in a day since we are a little short of time. We'll fuel up since we have another 200 kilometers to do. What fuel we have isn't sufficient for us. 104.94. Hello.
Hi. Oh, there's a hi. Okay.
Bus. Thank you. So when you enter Kargil, there is a municipal community fee of 30 rupees for two-wheelers. Just right out of the bedroom, I turned the camera off just to save some battery while going ahead, and we stopped. And the fee of 30 rupees has been collected. I received the receipt for that. You can opt to stay here actually if you don't want to do the entire stretch in one day. Hey! Only the bypass. That's bypass. Kela na security na. Sir, nadi. So there was a bypass, but we stopped and asked the police here, and he said that is far, you go here. Where? What is that behind? Bangalore से. हाँ.
ऐसा जो भी मिलेगा ना आगे.
हाँ.
Always clockwise.
Yeah, clockwise only. Yeah, this is clockwise only, no?
जब भी आपको मंदिर को चक्कर लगाना हो, जब भी ऐसा कुछ घुमाना हो, always clockwise.
Yeah, always clockwise. वो याद है. Always rotate in clockwise. Just don't rotate whichever way you feel like walking. It's better to do it in clockwise.
Anti-clockwise never.
हाँ. अंदर क्या है?
अंदर मूर्ति आपको जो पाँव से नीचे तक पूरा देखना है तो अंदर जा सकते हैं.
अंदर जा सकते हैं. So this is the Maitreya temple in Mulbek. Stopped here. I had a sandwich. Yatish didn't feel like having anything, and we got a sticker stuck in that glass there. This is a temple, and he told me that Amir Khan shooting was happening here, the latest one. If you've seen the news recently, that allegations about dumping garbage and all that, yeah, that was somewhere here. Here we are. You are at Namikla, altitude 12,198 feet. This is one of the two passes that we need to cross while going. And like that, we reached one more high altitude pass. Fast. We reached Zabayul, the invisible village. So if you have time, you can do this. It's a very treacherous route to the village, but we're not doing this now since it's already late for us to reach Leh. We have another 150 kilometers to go. You see the structure up there? So the village is behind this hill. We're losing daylight. We need to reach Leh and check into a place. So you can't do everything when you want to do Srinagar to Leh. You need to take a break in between and do the stuff. Blessed are those who see beautiful things in humble places. Are we blessed? Not yet. The roads are awesome. No wonder people do it in Honda Activas, Honda Dios. They do it in scooter now. So you want to reach Leh, you can do it on any motorcycle. Only that Zawzela Pass, you have to take care because that's completely broken. The roads over there are in off-road condition. Fatula top. The altitude is 13,479 feet. Look at all the prayer flags. Whoa, like they're talking to you. This is the highest point in the Srinagar Leh road. It's at 13,479 feet. And the beautiful part about this place is these flags. Come on, they'll talk to you. Seven o'clock. And see how bright it is. Bright sunshine here. So much wind. Let's go. We have another 110 kilometers, huh? Yeah, something like that. About 100, approximately 100 kilometers. The boards are very rare here, so we don't keep track of it. Let's go. So, as long as this trip is concerned, we did Sach Pass, Sintan Top, Namikla and Fatula. We did 4 high passes already. Once we reach Kalse, get ourselves stamped and enter Leh. Yatish is on the go. Oh, look at this. The loops. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so all this is ice prone zone. You come in winters, you'll find ice here. This is Lamayuru. Lovely. Looks beautiful from here. This is National Highway number 1 and the road is number 1. Awesome road. All thanks to BRO. Bro, you guys are great. Look at that. Old houses. Ages old. Welcome to Lamayuru. This is Lamayuru town. that is the stupa there and the prayer wheel on the left. See a lot of stupas. There are 3 there. There's one there. This is a big temple here. Ah, something got under the helmet. We reached Khalse. Hitesh has gone to do the formalities to enter Leh. Here the road goes that way straight, so we are diverted into this street here by this temple. We come by this temple and we show our reports, stamps, everything. Here's our gate pass. I know it's dark. I made 2 mistakes until now. One is Such Pass and Cliffhanger route. Please don't do both together. Second thing is, if you have seen Sonmarg and don't want to do anything, want to directly reach Leh, then you can start from Srinagar and ride to Leh. In case you want to visit places on the way, please break your travel into 2 halves. Do it in 2 days. It is far. Even if the roads are great, it consumes a lot of time, because until Kargil the roads are not that great. It's a little bumpy, and from Kargil onwards the roads are nice, but you need to climb up to 2 mountain passes, that is Namikla and Fatula. So these are ride updates. I don't think I can show you anything beyond this since we're losing light. We'll meet in the room, I guess. That should be good enough. In case there's something interesting happening on the way, we'll surely share it with you all. We just have to show our COVID certificates and generally our data. Any other questions? Nothing now?
No other questions.
Just the COVID report?
About the stay, I said some hotel which was in my mind.
Okay. Oh, we need to show this there now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll keep this on top for now. So what he'll do is, he will 2% checked. This is what is required to get into Leh. This is Khalse. This belongs to Ladakh district. So previously what checking happened, that was for Kargil district. If you have any doubts, please check on their website directly. If you're trying to Leh, the website is fairly clear with all details. You need not worry. Just follow the instructions and everything is cool. Only when you come unprepared is where you face all troubles. Now the only worry is another 100 kilometers will take close to 2.5 hours. So we should reach and find the hotel room soon. हाँ हाँ स्लिप लाया होगा. Go inside. I'll give you a sit.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. That's all. Leh, 97 kilometers from Khalse, and we're doing it in the dark. So we're using views, mystical beauty of Leh for the next 100 kilometers. It's okay. We are on National Highway 1 and let's reach Leh safely. It's dark now, so our speed will reduce comparatively. We are at the Magnetic Hill. You see this board? Magnetic Hill ಇದೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Magnetic Hill board ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. For my viewers' sake, this is how Magnetic Hill looks at night. I can't feel any what do you call that effect, there is no pulling effect. I don't know which side it's supposed to pull, because I am coming from one side. I saw the board on the right, so I don't see the hill in front of me. I think it should be behind me. It is windy. It's epic. We are doing it at night. Welcome to Leh. This is the circle. We are here. Now we don't know where to go. Yeah, first let me check if our phone is working. ಬಾಯ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೂಮ್ದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೇಟ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡು, ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾಸಲ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. भैया रूम मिलेगा?
हाँ मिलेगा सर।
कितना पड़ेगा?
कितना आदमी है?
दो
आदमी। स्टैंडर्ड चाहिए नॉर्मल चाहिए?
स्टैंडर्ड मामूल
नॉर्मल चाहिए। कितने लोग हैं सर?
दो
नॉर्मल चाहिए सर। नॉर्मल चाहिए। आइए सर रूम देख लीजिए। रूम देख लो ना।
हाँ बहुत ऊपर नहीं है ना.